Writing style, engaging. Hey there, I'm here to share something truly amazing with you. Have you ever seen the Northern Lights? Those mesmerizing ribbons of green, purple, and red that dance across the night sky? Well, if you missed the recent show, you're in luck. There's another chance to witness this stunning natural phenomenon Saturday night. These auroras are not just a beautiful sight. They're the result of intense solar activity. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field. It's like nature's own light show, and you could see it as far south as Alabama. The best views are expected across the Ohio River Valley, through the Midwest, and into the Pacific Northwest. But remember, most of North America might catch a glimpse depending on the weather. So keep your eyes on the skies, but also on the weather forecast because cloud cover could play spoiler. Now, besides the sheer beauty of it, this extreme geomagnetic storm can impact more than just the sky. It could affect our power grid, satellite, and high-frequency radio communications. It's a reminder of how powerful and unpredictable our sun really is. So, what's the best way to watch the northern lights? Find a spot away from city lights, give your eyes some time to adjust to the darkness, and simply look up. You don't need any special equipment, just your eyes, a clear sky, and maybe a warm blanket. Remember, this celestial spectacle is fleeting, and while it's expected to persist through Sunday, there's no guarantee. So if you have the opportunity, don't miss out on this encore of nature's light show. It's a reminder of the wonders our universe holds and a perfect moment to reflect on our small yet significant place within it. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop looking up. Who knows what you'll discover next in this incredible universe of ours?